This is how I brush my teeth once a week. Not that I only brush my teeth once a week, but I only do this full process once a week because I'm lazy. I'm not gonna sugarcoat nothing. I'm gonna rinse off my old toothbrush that needs to be replaced. But since this camera is sitting, well, my phone is sitting on my faucet, I'm gonna do it on my sink. Now that that's rinsed off, I'm gonna open this new tube of toothpaste because it looks better than my old used one that I wanna use up before I started using this one. And I apply my toothpaste, not to my toothbrush, but to my tongue. So don't ever use my toothpaste because I do this every morning. Gross, I know, but that's me. Here we go. Excuse me. If I'm wearing a shirt, I do this. I just got this one. I had the same exact one and I actually ran out. Even though I don't use it every day, I should, but I use it enough to run out. Next, I like to use this one first. Step 3, gentle slide. Plackers. I like these. Even though there's not much to get into, because I just did this maybe like 2 days ago. All right. I like this because it makes my teeth, my gums bleed. Which means I'm getting in there. Like, deep down in there. Get in there. This is the same problem I've been having. That's why I keep getting a new one. I don't know if you're supposed to use a new one each time, but I would like to preserve this stuff because it's like $3. So shoot, if I can reuse it, I'll reduce, reuse, recycle. Wash that baby right off. So I like this one, this floss, because it gets behind my teeth. And it makes the back of my teeth feel good. And I sometimes do that and I don't even care. I just keep going. Okay, I need a new piece because that one is like all torn and it was too short. All right, I'm done. Scrape those teeth. It's not bad. I still have all 4 wisdom teeth, so this is the only way I can get behind them. And I like to get the outside. See a little bit of blood. I like to get the inside. And then I gargle again. And this time it's gonna burn really bad. Ooh. Thank you, as always, for watching.